Have you ever felt a strange pull towards certain numbers? Do you see repeating sequences like 1111 or 333 everywhere you look? What if these aren't just coincidences, but whispers from the universe, a secret language waiting for you to decipher? Join me as we prepare to embark on an enlightening journey into the ancient art of numerology, where numbers reveal the hidden blueprint of our souls. You encounter numbers constantly in your daily life. They appear on clocks, receipts, street signs, and license plates, often fading into the background of our busy minds. But what if these seemingly mundane digits hold a profound, deeper significance? Imagine a world where every number carries a unique energetic signature, a vibrational frequency that influences your existence. This isn't just abstract philosophy. It's the core principle of numerology, an ancient wisdom tradition that connects the dots between numbers and destiny. Numerology is far more than simple arithmetic. It's a profound spiritual science. It's the study of the mystical relationship between numbers and coinciding events in life, revealing insights into personality, purpose, and potential. It offers a unique lens through which to understand yourself and the world around you. This ancient practice suggests that numbers are not merely quantitative symbols. Instead, they are powerful archetypes, each imbued with its own specific qualities and energies. By understanding these vibrations, we can unlock deeper truths about our individual paths and the collective human experience. The origins of numerology stretch back through the mists of time, touching civilizations across the globe. Its foundational principles can be found in the esoteric traditions of ancient Egypt, the mystical teachings of Babylon, and the philosophical schools of classical Greece. These cultures understood numbers as being sacred keys. One of the most influential figures in numerology's history is Pythagoras, the renowned Greek mathematician and philosopher. He believed that all is number, asserting that numbers were the underlying essence of the universe. To Pythagoras, every number possessed a unique soul and a distinct vibrational quality. In numerology, each single-digit number from 1 to 9 embodies a distinct energy frequency. Think of them as cosmic archetypes, each representing a fundamental aspect of human experience and universal law. These vibrations are constantly interacting with us, shaping our realities. For instance, the number 1 resonates with leadership and new beginnings, while 2 embodies harmony and cooperation. The number 3 vibrates with creativity and expression, and 4 signifies stability and hard work. Understanding these core energies is your first step to decoding the universe's messages. When certain numbers repeatedly appear in your life, they are not random occurrences. These angel numbers or recurring sequences are often gentle nudges from the universe, reflecting the energy you are currently embodying or the lessons you are meant to learn. They are signposts on your spiritual journey. One of the most powerful and foundational tools in numerology is the calculation of your life path number. This single digit, derived from your birth date, is considered the most significant number in your personal chart. It reveals the overarching theme and purpose of your journey in this lifetime. Your life path number illuminates your innate talents, your core personality traits, and the major lessons you are here to master. It's like a cosmic compass, guiding you toward your true north and helping you understand the unique challenges and opportunities that will shape your growth. It's your soul's blueprint. If you are enjoying this video and you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and it helps spread the video to others who wish to learn more. Now, to calculate your life path number, you simply add up the digits of your full birth date, month, day, year, and reduce them to a single digit. This process unveils the primary energetic current that flows through your entire existence. It's a profound revelation for anyone seeking self-understanding. Let's walk through an example to demystify the calculation process. Imagine someone born on March 3rd, 1985. We break down the date into its single numerical components. 3, March being the third month. 3 for the day, 1, 9, 8, 5 for the year. First, sum all these individual digits. 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 5 equals 29. Next, if the sum is a two-digit number, and not a master number, which we'll discuss in a minute, you reduce it further by adding its digits. 2 plus 9 equals 11. Are you following along all right? It can be a little confusing at first, but rewind the video until you can get it. Now, 11 is a master number, along with a couple of others which we'll address. If it isn't a master number, you would continue reducing. 1 plus 1 would now equal 2. So for this example, the life path would be a 2, signifying a journey focused on peace, intuition, and balance. While most numbers reduce to a single digit, there are powerful exceptions: 11, 22, and 33. These are known as master numbers, and they carry an intensified, higher vibrational energy. Individuals with master numbers in their core numerology chart are often destined for significant spiritual work and profound impact. Master number 11 is the intuitive or illuminator, representing spiritual insight, inspiration, and a connection to higher consciousness. Master number 22, the master builder, signifies the ability to manifest grand visions into reality, often on a global scale. Master number 33, the master teacher or Christ consciousness, embodies unconditional love, compassion, and healing. These numbers bring both immense potential and also significant challenges. They often point to individuals who will experience big breakthroughs and profound personal growth, driven by a spiritual mission to serve humanity. If you have a master number, you're here for something extraordinary. Numerology isn't confined to birth charts. Its influence can be seen in our daily lives in subtle yet powerful ways. Have you ever noticed repeating number sequences on clocks, like 1111, 1212, or 333? These angel numbers are often seen as divine messages, guiding you or confirming you're on the correct path. Beyond these synchronistic sightings, numbers influence our environment. The address of your home, your phone number, or even the date you start a new venture can carry specific energetic vibrations. An apartment number that never feels right, or a house that feels off might be subtly influenced by its numerical energy. Understanding these everyday numerical influences can empower you to make more conscious choices. It helps you recognize the subtle energetic currents that shape your experiences, allowing you to align with more harmonious vibrations. The numbers around you are constantly speaking if you only learn to listen. Numerology offers a really neat framework for understanding personality traits, both your own and those of others. Beyond your life path, other core numbers in your chart, like your expression number from your full birth name and soul urge number from your vowels, reveal even deeper layers of your character. These numbers illuminate your strengths, your inherent talents, and even your potential challenges. They provide a roadmap for personal growth, helping you lean into your natural gifts and navigate areas that require more attention. It's a powerful tool for self-discovery and self-improvement. Furthermore, numerology can shed light on your compatibility with others. By comparing the core numbers of two individuals, you can gain insights into their energetic dynamics. It helps explain why some connections feel effortlessly harmonious, while others present constant friction. It's all in the numbers, revealing the energetic dance between souls. It's crucial to understand that numerology is not a tool for fortune-telling or predicting a fixed future. Instead, it serves as a profound map, illuminating the energetic landscape of your life. It reveals your innate potential, your karmic lessons, and the overarching themes of your journey. Numerology provides you with a deeper understanding of the currents and tides of your existence. It shows you the patterns, the predispositions, and the opportunities that are likely to arise. However, you remain the captain of your ship, holding the pen that writes your story. The insights gained from numerology empower you to make conscious choices, to navigate challenges with greater awareness, and to lean into your strengths. It shows you the path, but you are always the one who chooses how to walk it, how to respond to its twists and turns. You don't need to be a seasoned mystic or a mathematical genius to start exploring the power of numerology. The journey begins with simple awareness and curiosity. Start by noticing the numbers that appear repeatedly in your life. Are there specific sequences that catch your eye? Calculate your own life path number and read about its meaning. Reflect on how its characteristics resonate with your experiences and personality. This simple act of self-reflection can be incredibly illuminating, offering profound insights into your true nature. As you become more attuned, you'll start to see how certain numbers seem to follow you through different phases of your life, marking periods of growth, challenge, or transformation. This heightened awareness alone can begin to shift your perspective and deepen your connection to the universe's subtle language. You are not a random occurrence in the vast tapestry of existence. The precise moment you entered this world was not arbitrary. The energy you embody, the unique essence of your being, has a distinct rhythm, a cosmic pulse that is yours and yours alone. Numbers are the ancient sacred code that unlocks this profound truth. They are the keys to understanding your inherent design, your purpose, and your connection to the universal flow. Numerology is just one powerful key, a guiding light in the darkness. Perhaps numerology opens a door that you've been searching for, revealing a deeper understanding of yourself and the mystical forces that have shaped your reality. If that's the case, leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. If you're ready to go deeper into the fascinating world of your personal numbers and uncover the hidden messages life has been sending you, visit the6secondsage.com. There are a few great ebooks there on spirituality that you might find interesting. Thanks for watching. See you next time.